Have you ever wondered how businesses were operated in an ancient times or before the era of analytics? Back then, decisions were driven by gut feelings, assumption, past experience. This often led to wrong decisions and many risks. But today, business analytics has changed everything. With the help of data, companies now can make smart decisions, confident decisions. They use dashboard reports and prediction tools to plan better and avoid mistakes. In today's world of using analytics is not just helpful, it is necessary. It helps businesses find useful information, grab new opportunities, and stay ahead of others in the market. Hi, I'm Prashant. So today in this video, we'll talk about the introduction of business analytics. But before that, let's understand the definition and importance of the business analytics. Business analytics is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data using statistical techniques, data visualization, and modern technologies to gain meaningful insights. These insights help organizations make informed decisions, solve business challenges, optimize performance, and predict future trends. Now, let's see what are the key goals of business analytics. Number one is solve business problem. Number two, improve efficiency. Number three, predict future outcomes. Let's understand the types of business analytics. Number one is descriptive analytics, which means what happened. Descriptive analytics looks at the past data and tells the story of what has already happened. Summarize historical data to understand past business performance. For example, what were our total sales in the last quarter? Then we have diagnostic analytics, which means why did it happen? Diagnostic analytics helps identify patterns and relationship that explain business problem. It investigates root causes of past outcome or trends. For example, why did customer churn increase in quarter 2? Then we have predictive analytics, what is likely to happen, which means predictive analytics uses past data to anticipate future events, forecast future outcomes based on historical data. For example, which customer are more likely to stop buying. And at last, we have prescriptive analytics. What should we do? Prescriptive analytics gives actionable suggestions to support better decisions, recommend actions to improve future outcomes. For example, what discount should we offer to retain customer? So we have covered the types of business analytics. Now let's see the workflow of business analytics. The workflow of business analytics starts with problem definition, then it goes to data collection, then we have data cleaning and preparation, analysis and modeling, interpretation and visualization, and at last we have decision making and action plan. Now let's see the tools used in business analytics. Business analytics, we start with Excel, which is used for basic data cleaning, analysis, and dashboard. Then we use SQL, that is structured query language, for querying and handling structured data. We use Power BI and Tableau for data visualization and creating reports and dashboards. We use Python for automation and advanced analytics insights. Now let's understand the practical uses of business analytics. We use business analytics in retail inventory optimization, like analyze demand trends, avoid overstocking and stockouts. We use business analytics in healthcare, predicting patient readmission, identify high risk patients, improve care quality, and reduce cost. We use in banking for credit risk modeling, access loan risk during customer data, prevent defaults, and manage exposures. We use business analytics in HR, employee attrition analysis, to understand why employee leave, improve retention through data-driven HR policies. In almost every industries now, business analytics is used to make smarter, faster, and more profitable decisions. If you are wondering that business analytics can take you where the business analytics can take you, the answer is almost anywhere. Means from analyzing sales to predicting customer behavior, companies are hiring people who can think with data. So business analytics can take you to the higher of, you can say, it's a basic data reporting to the predicting, analyzing the data. Now let's see the career path of business analytics. The career path of business analytics starts from the entry level roles, then we have mid level roles, and at last we have senior roles. Most of the people starts role with as a data analyst, then reporting analyst, then we have junior consultant, and after some time they can switch into business analyst role, BI developer role, and then product analyst. And with a time period with experience, they can switch into analytics manager, lead, and data science consultant. Then they can reach up to strategic and analytics head. Skills you learn beyond tools, that is strong analytical mindset, curiosity to explore data, basic statistics, business acumen, data storytelling, effective communication. So now let's understand the conclusion of business analytics. You cannot be a business analytics overnight. This process needs continuous learning with discipline and dedication. Start with Excel or basic statistics, learn SQL for working with databases, explore Power BI or Tableau for data visualization and reporting, and use Python for automation and analysis. Then at last you can work with practical real world data set to work on the actual data and take mini projects for internship. So to wrap up, business analytics is not just about using tools, it's about using data to make smarter decisions. We have covered what it is, the types, tools, and real life use cases of business analytics, and the skills career path you can aim for. Whether you are from technical background or non-technical background, if you are curious and ready to work with data, business analytics is a great career option for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this session. Have a good day.